I'm flying my drone over this area in order to give you a real look at the marine conditions before you enter the area and maybe get yourself lost or injured. There is a natural rhythm that you should try to achieve when sailing across oceans. Many days were just made for no progress. Contrary winds or no wind. These are golden days. They are gifts from the gods. Some days were made for swooping along on sparkling diamond seas with a bubbling white wake. Other days are cold and wet and melancholy, made for a big card game or a good book. If you can feel the rhythm and move to it, your life will be enriched. If you cannot feel the rhythm, if you are anxious to make progress, if you get your greatest satisfaction from seeing good progress on the instruments, then you are doomed to the same old from which you are supposed to be trying to get away. Good luck. Good luck.